The clock is ticking as my wife prepares to deliver our second child. And the craziest thing is that she wants an unmedicated home birth. If that wasn't enough, in the midst of all of this, we decided to give our daughter a must-needed bedroom makeover.
Look how decayed that is. You can see the brick on the outside of the house.
So with limited time and money, will we meet this deadline? Or will the due date stop everything in its tracks?
I give up. Never mind. I quit.
I guess you'll have to find out as we continue to turn this house into a home, one room at a time.
In order to create our daughter's dream bedroom, we had to get inspired. Here are a few images that we felt captured her personality the best. From there, we went about designing a mood board. Our daughter is very social and energetic, and she loves color. So we're going for a bright, girly, bohemian feel in the room. Finally, we created a bedroom essentials checklist to help us stay focused and on schedule. So now we're ready to get this started.
The way I feel about this bedroom, it has to be perfect. It's our first child's bedroom. So we got to make sure that there's no leaks, no water damage, no frames leaning left or right. But we did run into an issue. My arch nemesis, wallpaper.
Somebody decided to put wallpaper on everything. Why? And then also there's water damage. I gotta figure that out. Hopefully it's not rotted out here. If it is, then I gotta replace it right there too, and then put a new header, all that stuff. And same with this one. Gotta see what's up going on with that, and over there, and over there, and over there, and over there, and over and everywhere, okay?
After fighting with this wallpaper for hours, I thought, the best thing is to probably just rip out this drywall and get it replaced with new drywall.
Just finished the demo of this bedroom. And then also look at this. Look at this. Look how decayed that is. It's so decayed that you can see the brick on the outside of the house. So, as you see, there's no insulation on this wall, but there is insulation on the other walls. But we got the insulation on the floor. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited to get this up and get it out. I'm gonna need like 3 people. So if y'all watching this, come help me take this out.
After demo and having new drywall installed, now we have a blank canvas for my wife's creative vision.
Today is a new day. Today I am installing this window. Yes. I'm actually getting somebody to install it for me so I can see the process and be like, yeah, I can do this. I can do this. So let's just get into it for today. I still got my braces in. Let me go take those out and get ready for the day.
One of the things I learned early on in this home renovation is to hire someone out, but not just hire them out, but hire someone that can actually be a teacher so they can teach you exactly what they're doing. So eventually one day you could try to do it yourself. So that's what I did. In this instance, I hired someone out to teach me how to install a window properly and to frame it and to also do the exterior of it as well. All right, don't mind this. I'm definitely using the wrong tool. Anyway, after that, I installed the PVC trim. Don't worry, I went back and added the flashing tape before putting the PVC trim back on. After finishing up with the PVC trim, now it's on to caulking, filling up all the gaps, the holes, the screw holes, and any areas that need to be filled in so water can't get inside of the window. And finally, painting the exterior. Next, it's on to finishing the interior of this window. We wanted to go with this modern style trimless window, and as you see, I hired the same guy to teach me exactly how to do it. He showed me how to add corner bead and mud. And I'm just gonna be real, mudding is not my thing. I'm not really good at it. I'm not garbage, but yeah, I'm not that great, okay? I'm not that great.
This is the first coat and it looks fire. Look at that boy. Smooth silk. That one's done. That first coat is done right there. I got to do a second coat. We're going to do another 20-minute mud.
That's what we were using. Bam, bam, bam. Let's go do that, and I'll check in with you guys later.
Just finish up the second coat regarding this drywall trimless finish situation. I love this. This is really like a modern style that we were going for, and this is working out gorgeous. Oh, I got one more coat to do, and then yeah.
All right, so now we're at the point of priming and painting these walls. We gotta wipe and clean the walls first, prep everything, prep the space before we add the primer and then the paint. Thanks to one of my subscribers suggesting that once again. Did I listen this time? That's the question. No, I didn't. First of all, when you're working, you just try to get stuff done, and that's what messes me up.
All right, guys, so this is what the final reveal of the window in the room, in the baby room, looks like. After priming and everything, painted it and got it to the right color. So now I learned from my mistake. Make sure you make sure you prime before you paint. Prime them walls before you paint. On to the next thing.
Now it's on to installing this accent wall. Yes, this is the second accent wall that I am installing, and this is for my daughter. So it gotta be girly, you know, at least color wise, it gotta be girly. But so the material that we're using is MDF. We're using the same MDF that we use for our master bedroom accent wall as well. What we did is laid out the accent wall. We drew a straight horizontal line and made sure it was level and straight so we can work off that line. So what we use to attach to the wall is this brad nailer from Ryobi. It's not a sponsorship, but I'm just saying this brad nailer was crucial in attaching the MDF boards to the wall. I'm nailing the top of the MDF pieces first, then I'm using the level to make sure that it's going straight up and down. From there, I added the final piece of the top. My wife actually wanted me to add this piece, and it was a great touch to finish off the look of this accent wall. After that, I went on to fill each and every hole that the brad nailer, made every single time I was shooting it into the wall. After all the holes were filled, my wife went about sanding each and every area that needed to be flush. This room is really starting to come together, from new drywall to windows and now a brand new accent wall. I mean, shoot, my baby girl better be happy because this took a lot of work. A lot of work, hard work and dedication. Getting back to it, so the color that we're using is coral, and it turned out really nice. Actually, I really do like this coral. It's pink, red. I say it's pink. I don't know. People might say it's red, pinkish. I don't know. Comment in the comment section and let me know if this is a pink or red or in between. I guess pink is a part of red, so it's still pink? No, it's still red, right? I don't know. Comment in the comment section if it's a pink or red or whatever you think. Let me know in the comment section.
Guys, we finally finished the baby room situation. Look at that, boy. That thing look nice. I still got to do the outlet and the outlet cover, but pretty much it's there. It is there.
So in next week's video, we're going to be tackling the second part of the accent wall, and we're going to assemble our daughter's bed. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, we will see you in the next video.